welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about one of my favorite things in the art stuff world, and that is Faber Castell Polychromos colored pencils. This particular line I have a pretty good deal of experience with, and I've been a big fan for a long time. The thing that differentiates this pencil in terms of behavior and performance for me is the fact that it is based completely differently than many of the other colored pencil lines that are available on the market. Whereas many of them are wax based, so you have a buildup of wax when you're trying to establish your color layers. With Polychromos, their base is oil. And so you don't have that waxy, shiny buildup that comes with the other colored pencil lines. So the nice part about Polychromos is that you have the ability to layer and layer and layer and put subtle changes and gradations in your work that kind of get lost with other colored pencil because of the wax buildup or wax bloom. But with Polychromos, that's completely absent. The other thing that I really like about Faber Castell is that not only with their Polychromos colored pencil line, but also their Albrecht Durer watercolor pencil line, the colors are exactly the same from one line to the next. So they're numbered and named the exact same. So cream in the colored pencil line is cream in the watercolor pencil line. And that allows you a really good range of crossover so that you can mix techniques and know exactly what color you're going to get. And it's a very, very handy technique because with like Albrecht Dürer, I'm able to lay down some initial layers and activate them with a wet brush, fills in all the tooth with color, and then I'm not spending hours and hours and hours and hours filling in little white dots and stuff like that. So for Polychromos, this is an extra benefit because it has this companion, line that you can use with it. And those are interchangeable. I go back and forth between the two all the time. But Polychromos has some fantastic colors. The way that they blend, the way that they work together is really, really unique. And so for years and years, it has been my favorite. So if you haven't tried, do yourself a favor, buy yourself something that you're absolutely going to love and use for years and years, and take a look at Faber Castell Polychromos because we're absolutely sure you're going to love them and enjoy.